Here I have Nokia 6 and let me show you top tricks for the following phone. So at the very beginning let me reset the app preferences. So let's assume that you would like to reset some app settings but you would like to don't lose any data. So this is the solution for you. Let's just open the list of all applications, choose settings, scroll down to the bottom of the list, select system, choose reset and select reset app preferences. So this will reset all preferences for disabled apps notification, default application for actions, background data restriction and any permission restrictions. What's more important, you will not lose any app data, just the following settings. Let's choose reset apps. And everything went well, you just reset the app preferences. So let's go back and now let's go to a second trick, so the magnifier. Let's just open the list of all applications, choose settings again. Here let me select the accessibility, scroll down, choose magnification and let's enable this. So now if you tap 3 times on the screen, you can magnify things. What's more, you can also change the magnify view by using 2 fingers and magnify whatever you want. If you would like to go back to a normal view, let's use the triple tapping again and you can use this magnifier right wherever you want. So that's it. Now you can go back. So let's go to the third trick. This time let me show you how to change the font and display size on the following device. Sometimes you will have to customize your display settings, so let's go to a display. Let's go to the accessibility again, and here you've got the font size and display size. So as you can see, you can make the font size largest. You may also change the size of the display right here. You can make it bigger or smaller. That's it. So now let me also show you how to check the color. You may select the color inversion and revert your colors. You can go back by using the same switcher. That's it. Let's go to another trick. Let me switch on the Nightlight. So let's find and select the list of all apps, choose settings. Here you need to select the display and tap Nightlight. As you can see, you can enable the Nightlight right now. So Nightlight reduces some colors and make it easier to look on your screen. You may also turn on Nightlight automatically if you set some rules. So that's it. Now let me show you the last trick, very useful one. So the emergency information. Let's open the list of all applications, choose settings, scroll down, select select user and accounts, of course, and here let's choose the emergency information. So here you can tap continue and you can select some info that can be useful for you. So the address, the blood type, allergies, medications, medical notes and other stuff. You may also choose the contacts and add some contacts to the emergency contacts if it's needed. Let's go back and make sure to set up these settings. And basically that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave a thumbs up under the video.